Today, we're diving into the V-MODA XS headphones. These babies pack a punch with their M-Class 40mm dual diaphragm drivers, promising vibrant bass, vivid mids, and vivacious highs without any overlap. The patented inner and outer ring design truly delivers on its claims. Let's talk noise isolation. These headphones? They're practically a fortress against unwanted sounds. Plus, the design is sleek and foldable, making it ultra-portable without sacrificing durability. The click-fold hinge? It's a game-changer, allowing these headphones to collapse to an impossibly small size with that satisfying click. What's impressive is that there are no batteries or processing involved. You get powerful clarity without any extra digital conversions. And let's give it up for their obsessive quality control. 5+ years of R&D definitely shows in the build and sound. Now, mind the gap. Style and comfort? They've nailed it. The fit is snug, and comfort is prioritized without compromising on style. Overall, the V-MODA XS headphones are a stellar option for anyone who values top-notch sound quality, exceptional noise isolation, and a design that's both functional and stylish. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.